Okay guys, so today we're going to talk about the 10 times zoom camera. It doesn't have that great of an instruction manual, so we're going to show you how to use it. Starting off, comes with two main sets of wires. This one with the green shrink wrap around it. This goes to your Video TX. This set is for your zoom and also your focus. The black and white wires are your zoom, and the red one is your focus. Keep in mind, this red wire is actually a signal wire. It's not a power, it's not a voltage wire. So when you go to plug it into your receiver, make sure you plug it into the signal port, not the voltage. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the controller for a moment. When we connect the camera, we're going to have to assign the channels. So here on channel 6, we have the zoom set to this channel. Over here on channel 7, which is just a 3-position switch, we are going to have it set to the focus for the camera. So let's go ahead and show you how to connect everything. Here we have a typical receiver here. So let's start off with the zoom function. Now we've got this assigned to channel 6. So let's just go ahead and connect it to the channel 6 port, which is right there. And now remember, I said this was a signal line, not a power line. And we're going to connect that to channel 7. So go ahead and connect that to the signal pin, and now we have the receiver connected to it. Now let's talk about the video transmitter. Here is the video transmitter, and now we're going to connect to the TX. We're going to connect the video transmitter line to the TX. So just go ahead and plug that in, and that's as easy as it gets for the setup there. Now we're going to connect the battery. Make sure that the power line goes towards the outside and your voltage goes to the inside. Or your red voltage line goes to the outside and your negative line goes to the inside. So we'll go ahead and we connect that. Okay guys, so now that we've got the camera set up and connected to the transmitter, we're going to talk about how to access the menu and also how to turn the menu off. So first of all, in order to access the menu, turn your dial knob all the way to the lowest setting and your switch to the lowest setting. Once you do that, take it all the way up to the highest setting and then you switch to the highest setting. Once it's set there, you will wait a moment and then the camera will access the menu. Once it does that, you will want to center your dial position. This is going to stop scrolling through the screen. Also center your 3-way switch, and that will stop turning functions off and on. So now, right now it's set to Chinese, so let's move up to the language setting and stop it right there. Flip it over to English, move the 3-way switch back to the center position, and now our menu is in English. So let's go down to the focus. Right now it is in manual mode, so we're going to set it for autofocus mode. Let it scroll through the screen. We stop it there, turn the switch and set it to autofocus. Once you do that, now it's important to remember to exit out of the menu, or else whenever you fly the menu will come back on. So by exiting out of the menu, the way we do that is we disconnect the power to the camera. So let's go ahead and disconnect the power to the camera and reconnect the power to the camera real quick. And it comes back on. And as you can see on the screen, our autofocus is currently set. Right now it's set at 1 times zoom, and the 3-way switch is in the center. So let's go ahead and zoom in some. Turn the dial knob as high as you would like it, and and that's the 10 times zoom function. Come back out. The dial position right now is about center way, which is 5 times zoom. And let's take it to the lowest setting and get back to the 1 times zoom. So there it is. That's how you operate the 10 times zoom 700 TVL camera from FPV Model. Thank you for watching, and I hope it helps answer any of your questions. If not, you can always contact us at fpvmodel.com or sales@fpvmodel.com, or contact me directly at jason@fpvmodel.com. Okay guys, so while we got you here, we're going to show you a quick update that we have with the 10 times zoom camera. This is how it was before. It would come in a black metal case, and it would weigh in at right at 105 grams. So what we did in order to save some weight was we took the camera out of the metal case and we put it in a black plastic case. By putting it in a black plastic case, we have done two things. One, it now weighs in at 74 grams. So compared to the metal case, you actually save 29 grams on it. And two, if you can see right here, there's a little slot in the bottom of the case. What this is for is you can have a Velcro strap that slides into place there, and it'll allow you to connect to most of your camera pods, or allow you to easily connect to the majority of your gimbals that you're going to want to attach the camera to. So this is the newer product with the black plastic case, and it's a little lighter, and it has the extra option of allowing you to attach a Velcro strap for allowing you to attach to your plane easily. So there it is, guys. Thank you for watching our video.